Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Open your PayPal app or website and log into your account with your email and password. Once you're in, head to the Settings menu, which you'll find by clicking your profile icon in the top right corner. This is where all your account controls live. Step 2. Look for the Security section in your Settings menu. You'll see several options related to protecting your account. Find the option that says Screenshot Permission or Media Access Settings. This controls what devices can capture your screen while you're in the app. Step 3. Click on Screenshot Permission and toggle it to the On position. PayPal might ask you to confirm this change for security reasons, so just verify your identity when prompted. This is a quick step but super important for enabling the feature. Step 4. Review the permissions you've just granted. Make sure it says Screenshots enabled next to your preference. Double-check that the toggle is switched to the right, indicating it's active. This visual confirmation helps you avoid confusion later on. Step 5. Save your changes by clicking the Save or Confirm button at the bottom of the page. Your PayPal account will update immediately, and you're all set. Now you can take screenshots of your transactions, receipts, and account information without any restrictions on the platform.